Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search a specific reminder on your iPhone. So sometimes you remember the name but you don't know the date, so you just tap there and then you search the name. So for example, mom's birthday, and then there you go. I can just tap on it and then the details are there, so I don't have to look at the date one by one to find a specific event on your calendar's reminder on iPhone. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful and thank you for watching.